Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're doing well. Today, I've got another quick tutorial for you on how to archive chats in ChatGPT. So head on over to your ChatGPT account. On the left-hand side, you can see all my chats here. So if you want to archive one of them, you click on the three dots, scroll down to archive, and that will be archived. If you want to find that chat again that you've archived, you go down to your profile, click on settings and down to data controls, and here you can manage your archived chats. You can also archive all your chats at once if you want to, or delete them all at once. But if you want to manage the ones that you've already archived, click on manage. You can see the ones I've archived here. I can either unarchive them and send them back to the left-hand pane or send them to the delete bin. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.